Can you just give us a couple thoughts about your performance tonight?
Yeah, I think it was alright. Obviously, I've been off for 14 days now. Last time I played was the 7th of June, so I thought I had to build myself into the game, but I think I did alright. Didn't really get much opportunities, but it's part of the parcel of football. So I'm taking the positives from the game and moving to the next one.
Can you talk a little about how confident you are in the team moving into the next 2 games in the group stage and the rest of the tournament?
No, I believe we've got the ability to win it. You can see from today, obviously USA is probably one of the favourites in the Gold Cup, and today we showed our ability, showed that what we can do, we can show that we can threat. USA are in the middle of their season right now, so all the players are fit. Whereas we had a lot of English players playing today, which we did not play for a while now, apart from the guys that went to Austria. So it shows that even though a couple of people are not fit, we can go out there and we could be up there with the best.
Awesome. And then, so the mood in the locker room afterwards, what's the mood?
We're obviously disappointed. Before the game, we were taking the point, but during the game and how the game went, we definitely wanted the 3 points. So we are disappointed, and it shows that we're out there to win, and next game we're going to win.